Do you know? Webinar and webcast market is valued at $1.24 billion in 2024 and will cross $2.2 billion by 2031. And to add to its huge potential, more than 92% well-established B2B marketers rate using webinars as number one source to attract high-paying leads. Today, when a majority of people are spending most of their time over the internet, the importance of using high-quality webinars that attract audience and convert them into high-paying customers cannot be taken for granted. And so, it's safe to say that creating engaging latency-free webinars to drive maximum traction on your offers is not an option. It is mandatory. Still not convinced? Here are some more stats to support my claim. 78% marketers rate webinars as number one way to drive targeted traffic to their offers. 91% webinar marketers say they've been successful for getting higher ROI in 2023. Marketers will spend $800 billion on running their webinars by fourth quarter of 2023. 84% B2B marketers link their higher customer satisfaction to hosting webinars. 67% marketers plan to increase their investment in webinars in 2024. 75% marketers prefer live webinars compared to other marketing channels. So, it's crystal clear that creating attention-grabbing webinars that convert random visitors into happy customers is a widely untapped opportunity, and marketers can bank in big by tapping into this huge industry. But all that glitters is not gold. There are tons of problems up your sleeve. Problem 1. Third-party platforms like Zoom, Demio, Zoho, Webinar Jam, etc. charge a fortune monthly for below-par services. Problem 2. Setting up your first webinar is complex and time-consuming process. Problem 3. Hire expensive freelancers to run webinars and chase them constantly until you get the perfect output. Problem 4. Driving traffic on your webinar isn't as easy as it looks. I know that sounds too depressing, right? But what if we told you that there's a brand new technology that helps newbies create and run their first profitable webinar with zero presentation skills, zero content creation, zero hosting fees, zero video creation, zero hiring expensive freelancers, and zero monthly subscriptions? And do all this at a fraction of a cost that's less than a dinner for two. If that sounds good, I've got some great news for you today. Proudly presenting Vmeet. Proven and first of its kind technology to set up and run unlimited high-engaging webinars on hottest topics and drive limitless high-paying leads for low, one-time price. Vmeet helps set up and run limitless profit-pulling webinars and video meetings in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Login. To get started, just log into this masterpiece and be on the fast track to your first webinar without huge subscriptions to expensive third-party platforms. Step 2. Create link. Now, create link of the type of webinar you want to start: live webinar, pre-recorded, or live meeting. After this, sit back and watch our proprietary tech give an unforgettable webinar experience to your audience in a few clicks of your mouse. Remember, no wasting hours running webinars manually, no content creation skills, no huge monthly subscriptions, and no hiring expensive freelancers. Step 3. Profit. Boom, you're done. Now sell high-ticket offers, bundle deals, or anything else you want and see boatloads of dollars flowing in like never before. And that's all needed to profit from Vmeet. Just follow these easy steps and witness a tornado of leads, sales, and profits like never before. Here are some of the amazing features of Vmeet. First to market tech to set up and run unlimited high-engaging webinars on hottest topics in 3 clicks. Create and host unlimited webinars, video meetings, and trainings with zero monthly fees. Schedule webinars on accurate time zones to get maximum attendees. Make your brand memorable by adding your logo, colors, etc. on live or scheduled webinars. Build long-lasting relationships among attendees using real-time chats. Get 100% attention-grabbing webinar content without writing a single word. Save time by streaming pre-recorded webinars or using simulated videos. Conduct your large-scale virtual conferences seamlessly across the globe. Advanced analytics to get detailed information on attendees and analyze engagement levels. Multi-device optimized join webinars from laptops, PCs, smart TVs, or even mobile devices. Promote your webinar on various social platforms to drive maximum social traffic. Boost audience participation, identify top engaged attendees, amp conduct market research. Integration with major automation platforms for smooth workflow. Fire your expensive webinar artists and cancel expensive monthly subscriptions to Zoom, Zoho, Demio, Webinar Ninja, etc. Limited time commercial license included to provide services and get top dollar from your clients. Nothing to download, install or customize, get started in seconds. Limited time offer, get premium bonuses worth $8,458. Ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee included. And here's the coolest part. You're also getting our limited time commercial license to provide high-in-demand webinar creation services to hungry clients and bank in big for no additional fee. So, be sure to take advantage of this while it's available at this crazy low one-time discounted price. Also, if you grab your copy today, you get premium bonuses that are priceless for free. As always, your purchase is backed by our rock-solid 30-day guarantee. There's no risk whatsoever attached. You'll also receive easy-to-understand video training and round-the-clock support from our excellent customer service team. Take my word, this is truly a game-changer, and there is nothing like this out there at such a low price. Don't forget, this is a limited-time offer and will be taken down at any moment of time. So don't wait. Hit the button below to get instant access to Vmeet right now. Good luck, and we'll see you inside.